Hey guys, come with me on a cleaning day as a makeup artist. So, first things first, I throw away the disposables and then I clean up my station and sterilize as I go with isopropyl alcohol. And then I really take my time cleaning my makeup. First, I sharpen my pencils and I make sure that I shave off all of that old product that touched my clients, shave it off, and spray with isopropyl alcohol to sterilize it completely. And make sure every time you clean up your pencils, you have to sterilize your pencil sharpener because that thing can hold so much bacteria. You can take it apart and really get in there. I didn't show it here, but that's what I did. And then for my pans, I spray them with isopropyl alcohol. I do have another technique that I can share, but for this one, I sprayed it and then I put it in the UV sterilizer. So these are just really great. They just use UV technology to kill all that surface layer bacteria, and it's really quick. And the worst part is washing my makeup brushes. I have a routine, you can check it out on my YouTube, but once I clean everything, I set them out to dry, and that's it. I'm all done.